Hey friends, I am Miss Green. I just wanted to post this video to give you a little bit of a walkthrough of the course so that you don't have any confusion when you are getting your assignments done. And I'm just going to give you kind of step-by-step instructions of what you need to do and how to do it. So I have a little announcement here. It's got a little bit about me. You can read through there. I'm sure you probably actually already have if you're watching this video. So this is 8th grade social studies. And before we get started with our content, we are going to look a little bit into some things that are going to help you be successful in this course. So the first module that you're going to, or the first topic that you're going to focus on is going to be learning in the 21st century. It's got a link here that says 21st Century Education, Why Should You Care? You're going to click on that. It is a video that's going to explain the topic a little bit. None of these videos are long, so don't freak out. Once you have watched the video, you can either click the right arrow to go to the next item, or you can go back to the table of contents under Learning in the 21st Century, and then you can click the next item, and you're just going to read through that. Again, go back to the table of contents. The next topic that we will be going over is digital citizenship. Again, you're going to watch the video. You're going to click and play the video. Once you have done that, you will go to the next topic, which in this case is going to be a discussion post. I have included instructions here for everything, so you should know exactly what to do, but you are going to answer the discussion question and then respond to at least one of your peers. The next item that you will look at is going to be digital literacy. Again, you're going to click on the video. Go ahead and give that a watch. Go to the next item, which is a game. So click the link, play reality check. It goes along with the idea of digital literacy, and it's really fun. And then once you have played the game, you can move on to the next topic. For the game, they each run about 15 minutes. You can do it as many times as you want, but you have to at least do it once. And then we have the flipped classroom, the same concept. Click the video, watch that, and then it'll take you to a discussion topic. And the last topic is synchronous and asynchronous online learning. You are going to click different approaches to learning, and it's just an image that's going to explain the differences between asynchronous and synchronous learning. It has a list of the benefits for each. So you need to read through that. If you benefit from note taking, then you can take notes on that. If not, just read it, reread it, whatever you need to do to retain it, whatever works for you. And then you'll have a quiz on the different approaches. The quiz is super easy. It is 2 true-false questions, 2 multi-select questions, so you have to choose all of them that apply, and then it is 1 written response. And the written response is completely opinion-based. As long as you explain and support your thinking, then you'll receive full credit for that question. But it has to relate to the question. And when you click on each of these on the side, I don't know if I covered this, but when you click on each of these on the side, should give you little descriptions that can kind of help you work through it. So that is it. This is our class. This is 8th grade social studies. And once we are finished going over and completing all of the assignments for learning in the 21st century, then we can move on to the fun stuff. So thank you so much for being here with me today. And I look forward to getting to know all of you.